kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video on Android app development. And so guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Google Vision API to scan the QR code inside your Android application. Alright guys, so in this video we will get the barcode, or I mean the QR code from the image, I mean the image view, and after that we will scan it and we will print the message inside our text view. Alright, so first of all what we need to do is, so we need to first of all add the dependency for the Google Vision API. Okay, so the first step you need to do is you need to go to your build.gradle file and make sure that you have this Maven dependency here. Alright, after you have done this, you need to now go to the build.gradle here. Alright, and now here let's integrate, or I mean let's add the dependency for the Google Vision API. Okay, so here I will write com.google.android.gms play-services vision 15.o.o. okay, and after that you just need to click on synchronize now. Okay, so now the project will be synchronized and without any exception or error. Alright, so after that what you need to do is you need to go to your Android manifest file, and inside your application tag where your activity tag is closing, so here you need to add some metadata. So for you just write metadata, and the name of that will be com.google.android.gms.vision.dependencies. Alright, and the second value that will be barcode. Alright, these are the steps of integrating the Google Vision API in your Android Studio project. After that, let's now create so now first of all we need an image of the QR code. So you need to go to your Chrome browser, and inside that you will search for the QR code generator. Okay, so you just click on that, and here you will find a lot of data from where you can generate the QR code. So for me, in this video example we will use the text. Okay, just click on the text and enter programming experts. Okay, and you just need to click on create QR code. Okay, so here you can see that the QR code is generated, and we just need to click on download button and it will be downloaded. So we just need to wait a little bit. Okay, so here we have this image, so I will just save the image inside my desktop, and I will name the image as QR, okay, my QR code. Okay, and just now we can open it. Okay, and I will click on copy, and let's paste it in drawable. Alright, so now we have this image inside our drawable. Now we need to set up the layout. So for that, first of all we need an image view. Okay, so let's click on image view here, and here we can search for my QR code. Click OK. Here you can see that our QR code is ready here, and after that we need a button to scan. Okay, and I will just name it as scan. Alright, after that we need a text view, okay, to display the results. So here I am displaying Alright, and okay, so it's the value, I mean the ID of the text view is text view 2, and for the image we have image view 2. Okay, so let's first of all initialize our view. So first of all, image view I1, and we need text view T1. So we will first of all initialize them. I1 equals to image view find view by id r dot id dot image view 2. Similarly, T1 equals to text view, I hope you understand, okay, dot text view 2. Alright, now that we have these two controls, okay, so now first of all we need the bitmap object, okay, and we will first of all set the bitmap to our image view. So for that, first of all, let's create a bitmap object, okay, and inside our own create method, what we are going to do is we are going to initialize our bitmap and set the image of the drawable to that bitmap. So for that we need to use bitmap directly direct factory, sorry, dot decode resources. Okay, in here we need to use get application context dot get resources, and the second argument here will be the id. So we can say r dot drawable dot my QR code. Alright, that is it. We have created the bitmap, and similar now we will just set the set image bitmap method, and inside that we will just pass our bitmap. Okay, so now we have the bitmap inside our image view. So now we just need to have a button click event. So for that I will just say public void scan QR, okay, and I will pass the view object here. Okay, so now inside that what we are going to do is we are going to scan the image view, or I mean we need to scan the bitmap object. Okay, so for that first of all we can here say barcode detector. Okay, it's the class of the Google Vision API. Barcode detector equals to new barcode detector, and we will use the builder, and inside that we need to use get application context, and here we need to use the set barcode formats method. Okay, and inside that we will set the barcode dot QR code, and we will just in the end say okay dot build. Okay, so now we have this barcode detector, and now we need a frame. So we say frame equals to new frame dot builder. Okay, and inside that frame we need to set the bitmap to that frame. So we need to use the set bitmap method, and inside that we just need to set the bitmap, and just now we need to just say dot build. Alright, it's very easy. Now that we have set up the bitmap to our frame, so now we just need to detect the frame. Okay, so now we just need to use a sparse array of the type barcode. Okay, and let's name it as barcode equals to, and now we need to use this barcode detector object. So we say dot detect. Okay, so now we need to detect the frame using the barcode detector, and now we can say barcode result equals to barcode dot value at, and we will fetch the first index of the frame. Okay, or I mean the first of index of this sparse array. So now we just need to set up. Okay, so here we did was T1 dot set text, and we need to set it to result dot raw value. Alright guys, so now our code is ready. Let's just set the on click method here for scan QR. Alright guys, so let me open the SiteSync app to so that I show you the output of my code. Alright, so now I have connected my phone. Now it's now connected, and let me just run the app and I hope that it works. It will take some time, so you just need to wait a bit and relax. Okay guys, so now our application is running, and here we have this barcode image. Okay, and if we click on scan, so here the result of the scanning will be displayed. So let's click on scan. So here you can see that programming experts. Alright, the value is being this is being scanned and the result is displayed here. Alright guys, so if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.